how much should you really spend on ceramic coating? Because here's the thing, cheap ones wear off in weeks, and the expensive ones promise years but don't always deliver. The truth is, price doesn't always mean performance. So today, we're cutting through the noise to find what actually works.
Product number 1, Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. A 14-ounce bottle for around $25 that's flying off shelves, with 6,000 plus sold last month. What caught my eye? That 50 wash rating, meaning it's built to last through real-world use, not just lab tests. If you want strong protection without dropping serious cash, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 50 wash rating means you're not reapplying every month. This isn't just a quick shine, it's a real barrier. The formula uses true ceramic tech, so water beads up instantly and rolls off, taking dirt with it. That hydrophobic effect means your car stays cleaner between washes, and bird poop or bug splatter won't bake into the paint. Plus, the gloss it leaves behind is insane, like a wet-look mirror finish you can achieve in your driveway. Just spray, wipe, done. Now, some people complained about inconsistent spray patterns or clogging if not stored properly. Here's the thing though, that's avoidable with a quick shake before use and keeping it in a cool place. It's not a flaw in the formula, just a handling note. For under $30, you're getting pro-level shine and protection that lasts. This is perfect for you if you want long-lasting ceramic protection without the pro detailer price tag. Skip this one if you're coating a fleet or need multi-year durability. This is more of a 6 to 12 month solution. But for the average car owner, solid value.
Product number 2, Sopami Ceramic Sealant. Next is Sopami Ceramic Paint Sealant, a 2-pack for $37, and it's got some bold claims. 6+ months of protection, non-toxic formula, and extreme hydrophobicity. Over 2,000 sold last month, so clearly people are curious. If you want a safer, odor-free coating that still delivers deep gloss, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike most ceramic sprays that smell like chemicals, Sopami is certified non-toxic and completely odor-free. That means you can apply it in a garage or tight space without gassing yourself out. The hydrophobic performance is strong. Water beads up tight and rolls off, keeping your car cleaner. And the shine? It gives that showroom depth, especially on dark paint. It also protects against UV, acid rain, and bird waste, all the stuff that slowly eats away at your clear coat. Now, some users said it doesn't last the full 6 months, especially in harsh climates or with frequent automatic car washes. Here's the thing though, no spray-on ceramic truly matches a professionally applied coating. But for a DIY user, 4 to 5 months of solid protection is realistic. And the fact that it's safe to use around kids or pets, that's a real win. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly, non-toxic option with strong water beading and shine. Skip this one if you're looking for multi-year durability or need something for heavy-duty use. But for weekend detailers who care about safety and ease, this is a smart pick.
Product number 3, 500 milliliter Quick Effect Coating. Coming in at third is this 500 milliliter ceramic coating, a budget-friendly option at $27 with over 600 sold. It's marketed for cars, motorcycles, trucks, and RVs, so it's versatile. If you want a larger volume for multiple applications or bigger vehicles, this one makes sense. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 500 milliliter is a lot, enough to coat a full-size SUV twice or do your car plus motorcycle. The extreme hydrophobic effect means water beads up instantly, and the deep gloss finish gives that premium look. It's not a permanent coating, but it holds up through several washes, and the slickness makes wiping down after a wash effortless. Plus, it works on headlights and mirrors, so you can protect more than just paint. Now, some buyers mentioned it can leave streaks if not buffed properly, especially in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, that's a common issue with any spray coating if you rush the process. Work in shade, use a clean microfiber, and take your time. Once applied right, it looks fantastic. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective, high-volume option for multiple vehicles or touch-ups.
Skip this one if you need long-term durability or are coating a show car. But for practical, everyday protection, it delivers.
Product number 5, G-Technic Crystal Serum Light. Finally, the G-Technic Crystal Serum Light, a premium 30 milliliter ceramic coating at $97. Yes, it's expensive, but it's one of the most respected names in professional detailing. Only 300 sold last month, but that's because it's not for everyone. If you want 3 to 5 years of real protection and don't mind the price, this is the real deal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This isn't a spray. It's a liquid nano coating that chemically bonds to your paint. That means insane durability, extreme hydrophobicity, and resistance to chemicals, UV, and oxidation. It also enhances clarity and depth like nothing else. Pros use this, and for good reason. It's lab-tested and proven. Now, some people complained about the complexity. It requires perfect paint prep, multiple layers, and a 24-hour cure time. Here's the thing though, that's what makes it last years, not months. If you're not willing to prep properly, this isn't for you. But if you are, it's unmatched. This is perfect for you if you want long-term, professional-grade protection and are willing to invest time and money. Skip this one if you want a quick spray-and-go solution. But for serious car enthusiasts, this is the gold standard. Product number 4, Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Kit. Now, if you're looking for a trusted name in car care, Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating Kit at $27 is hard to ignore. It comes with everything: coating, applicator, and premium microfiber towels. Over 500 sold, and it's from a brand detailers have relied on for decades. If you want a complete, beginner-friendly kit from a reputable brand, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The kit includes pre-moistened applicators and high-quality towels, so you're not guessing what to use. The ceramic formula delivers strong water beading, increased gloss, and a slick feel that makes washing easier. It's not the longest lasting on this list, but it's consistent and reliable, perfect for someone new to ceramic coatings. Now, some users said it doesn't last as long as advertised, maybe 3 to 4 months instead of 6. Here's the thing though, Meguiar's is upfront about proper prep being key. If you skip clay boring or don't decontaminate the paint, no coating will last. But if you do it right, you'll get solid performance. This is perfect for you if you're new to ceramic coatings and want a trusted all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you're experienced and want maximum durability. But for first-timers, it's a safe bet. So which one should you pick? Cerakote for strong protection under $30, Sopami if you want something safe and odor-free, the 500 ml bottle for volume and versatility, Meguiar's for a beginner-friendly kit, or G-Technic if you want years of pro-level durability. There's no one-size-fits-all. It depends on your budget, time, and how long you want it to last. Pick the one that fits your life.